With the knowledge that you've been cultivating and the self-awareness that you clearly have, I'd be curious if there's been a book that's been particularly impactful.
Definitely, I would say setting the table
Mhm.
was I tell every single person who walks through those doors, get that book. First and foremost, read that when you enter the industry. But you know what? Looking back on it, I didn't really understand who like Danny Meyer is and Shake Shack and EMP and Gramercy Tavern. I didn't really get all that. Then I read it during the pandemic again. And this is after being in the industry at that point, like 8 years. Damn, I took a notebook out. I must have written like 10 pages worth of like quotes and notes and highlighting. When you're taking that leap into like a management role, understanding hospitality, and he's the most successful American restaurateur, right? From a fine dining service perspective as well as a money making perspective. That's a phenomenal book. I could not like recommend enough.
And the fact that someone like him is willing to just put that knowledge out there for how much is that book? Like 16 bucks something?
Yeah.
Like that's bonkers crazy.
That's like gold right there. Yeah, that's like a master class. That's like 4 years of college right there in that one book. I'm being very honest.